Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to make Mapo Tofu. Okay, so ano ba yung mga ingredients na kailangan natin? Una, the tofu, some green onions, garlic, ginger, and 1/4 of pork. 1/4 kilo of pork. So right now we'll be making the sauce of the Mapo Tofu. This is 3/4 cup of water. Mapo Tofu. Okay, Nanay, ano to nilalagay natin ngayon?
This is oyster sauce, so 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Alright.
And we have to marinate the meat. So quarter kilo of ground pork. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce.
1 tablespoon of soy sauce.
1 tablespoon of cooking wine.
1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Cornstarch. Is that 1 tablespoon of cornstarch?
Yeah, I think 1 teaspoon.
So right now, itong tofu, i-cube natin siya. Okay, so we're going to start with our Mapo Tofu. Is this, Nanay, one of those quick and easy things to cook again? Okay. So, right now we're putting in the ginger. A lot of ginger. And garlic as well.
We put a lot because it's a natural antibiotic. And that's why we have it in our food a lot.
Natural antibiotic daw. Ginger and garlic. Stir in the sauce. Nanay wants to add some chili. Paano na yung mga tao na walang chili paste? Anong lalagay nila?
Yung ano tawag yan? Sili kabuyok.
Just the normal sili na i-chop? No?
Maliit na tasa.
Ooh. Tofu. So there we have it. Quick and easy 5 minutes to cook the Mapo Tofu. So now we'll be putting it in the bowl. putting in the green onions. Mm. There you have it. Quick and easy 5-minute meal to make, to cook. Mapo Tofu for you. Thank you for watching this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe.